Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three
Three
for the Road
RV.
RV. This is Sacred Sabbath Day. Hello, roadies. Thank you for joining us for a special Christmas December Sunday series that we will be doing this for the next 3 weeks. And I just basically wanted to share a couple of our family traditions that we do each year. And that is, we get us a new Christmas storybook and a new nativity every year. And it's really kind of hard to keep up that tradition, at least with the nativities, when you're in a travel trailer. So I was able to find this cardboard one that you see behind me that I could just set up on my stovetop and set that up for now in between meals, so we can have the spirit of Christmas with us for this month. And I thought it would be kind of fun to share a couple of our stories that we get over the years, as well as the time gets closer to Christmas. We will also share the Christmas story with you, because that is truly the true meaning of the holiday, is celebrating Christ's birth. So sit back, relax, and think about your favorite family traditions that you like to do together, and maybe put them in the comments below. We would love to hear what people like to do, especially when you're traveling around an RV. Do you still pull out your decorations and lights and deck things out, or do you just keep things simple? It would be great to hear what you guys have to say. So, Summer, would you like to hear a Christmas story? Yeah. Okay, why don't you sit down right there and I'll read you one, okay? She's gonna sit down. Tonight we are going to read C is for Christmas. And it's just a very simple picture book that goes through the ABCs. But now that we have Summer with us, we like to try to keep things simple so she can understand better. And that way, this is what we'll start with. Okay, C is for Christmas. And I love the pictures in here, so I will hold up the book for you so you can see. Oh, and if you're interested in the author, Tanya Skousen Arenas. I don't know how you say that last name. It's Arenaz. However you want to pronounce that, that's what it says. The pictures are beautiful. So it says, A is for angels and the anthems that they sing announcing the birth of our Savior and King. B is for Bethlehem, where a baby was born a long time ago on the first Christmas morn. So there's the picture again. Summer, you see this picture? Okay, we're going to share it with our roadies. Isn't that pretty? C is for candy canes, cookies, and cheer that we share with our friends and our neighbors each year. D is for dinner, a table that's spread with turkey and dressing and sweet Christmas bread. I know we like to eat ham at Christmas time. But, to each their own. Summer? There's the next picture. Yep, there's the next picture. E is for the eyes that are eager to see all that is under the evergreen tree. F is for families gathered together for holiday fun no matter the weather. This is G and H. Look at that beautiful picture there. G is for gratitude for gifts that we've been given, the ones we unwrap and the ones straight from heaven. H is for happiness, the feeling we find as we think of Christ child, the infant divine. Sorry for the glare.
Glare?
Isn't that a traditional looking house? Very pretty. I is for icicles, shiny and bright, reflecting the glow of each Christmas tree light. J is for jingle bells and the carols we sing, and for all the joy that this holiday brings. K is for the kisses beneath the mistletoe, and for all the kindness that good people show. Another pretty house. L is for the lights that glimmer above on treetops and rooftops, reflecting God's love. M is for the manger where a new baby lay, all snugly and warm on a mound of fresh hay. N's for the nativity that seems new every year. Each small china figure is precious and dear. That's my favorite thing to do, is collect a new nativity every year. O is for the ornaments adorning each limb, and for overstuffed stockings that are filled to the brim. P is for poinsettias, the flowers so bold, their perfect red color defies the winter's cold. Q is how quickly the shepherds did go to the small quiet stable in the town down below. I just love all these old-fashioned looking pictures. They're so good. R is for the ribbons and Rudolph's red nose and reindeer that frolic through cold winter snows. S is for Santa who comes while we sleep. He leaves us surprises and treasures to keep. T is for Tannenbaum, a word for the tree with trimmings and tinsel. It's pretty to see. U is for the gift that is not under the tree, the undying love that Christ gives to you and me. V is for Mary, the Virgin so mild, a virtuous mother for this special child. W is for the wise men who wandered afar and watched for a baby born under a star. X is for the excitement that we express with our laughter and all the exhaustion we feel the days after. Y is for the Yule log, burning yellow and red, keeping you warm till you crawl into bed. Aren't those pictures great? Z is for the Z's as we sleep in our beds while holiday memories dance in our heads. So very simple but very cute storybook for this holiday this year. Summer likes us to read it to her several times a day. And we just want to share our warmest and best holiday greetings to all of you out there that are on the road or staying with family and friends, that you all travel safe and that you all have a great holiday. And we look forward to sharing some more Christmas stories and traditions next time we get together. So thank you, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you next week.
Bye.